what we have here is that these are the 2 points, right, that we know are on this equation, right, or on the graph of this equation. And what we have to do is that we have to find the value of A and B, right? Makes sense? So see, since this is on this equation, right, what you can do is that you can use this to obtain. See, y is 19, right? Am I making sense? Yeah. Y is 19, and so I got 19 equals A times B to the power how much? 2. Okay, so we got a 2 here, right? Now, this lives on this equation, right? Okay, so in the same way, that will imply what? That 541 equals A times B to the power what? B to the power 9, right? Very good. And now we have to determine A and B. So let's go for it. So we have this. Okay, this equals 541, right? And then I got A times B square equals what's that? 19, right? Makes sense? Okay. Now this is like an elimination in a different way. Okay. So what I would do is I'll divide this equation by this equation. Okay. So on the left hand side, what I got that thing, right? Makes sense. And on the right hand side, what I have 541, right, over 19. Very good. What happens in this? A's will cancel, right? And then I have b to the 9 divided by b square, right? That will turn into what? B to the power 9 minus, very good, yeah, 7, right? 9 minus 2 is 7. And then here I got what? 541 over 19, right? So who B will be? B will be the, which root? The 7th root of this value, right? Makes sense? To the power 1 over 7, right? Okay. Now let's take help of the calculator at this stage. Okay. All right. So let's go and do that. And here we are. Just one sec. It's taking longer. All right, good. So here we have what? We got this, that we have to obtain 541, right? 541, it says that, okay, divided by, right, 19, and then this is what I use for power. Then I have 1 over, what's that? 7. Very good. So what do I have here? 1.613, etc., etc., right? Okay. And say the question is asking us to round 4 digits after the decimal sign, right? So see this here, I got it from the calculator, and here I have another calculator. So I'm rounding it to 4 digits after the decimal sign, right? So what I got here, I got this here, right? So that's my B, isn't it, right? So now the equation becomes what? Y equals A times this quantity to the power what? T. Right? Are we good here?
Yeah.
Now we have to determine who? We have to determine A. Right? Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can use either of the points. I can use 219 or I can use 9 and 541. both of them are going to give us the same answer. Okay, so let's use the easy one, that is 2, 19 is on the line, right? Sorry, is on the graph, or they satisfy the equation, right? So what we should have then is 19 equals A times
2. The 1.6 times the B.
Very good. So what power will I raise then? You tell me.
2. Would that be 2?
Yeah, 2. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Good. Good. So A will be what? So A is going to be 19 divided by this quantity, right?
Yeah.
Makes sense. And since we are using calculator, okay, I'm just going to do this, that let calculator handle the whole thing. Okay, so here we go. So we have 19, right, divided by 1. Okay, that's it. Point. Okay, it doesn't let me go down that far. Okay, point, right? Was that 6, 1, 3, 5? And here we go, square, right? Okay, so what is it? 7.2982 approximately, right? So we have 7 point. Okay, so that's what we did. All right, and of course you can carry the whole calculation on without approximations, but at this time, since we're just beginning it, yeah, we will just keep it this way. So what's your equation then that they wanted? You just put this number down here, right? Are we good on this?
Yes.
So that makes sense?